example of graphical method is example maximum z is equal to use graphical method okay. Maximum z is equal to 7x1 plus 3x2 okay. 7x1 plus 3x2 subject to here subject to 7x1 plus 3x2 subject to x1 plus x1 plus 2x2 is greater or equal 3, then x1 plus x2 is less equal 4, then x1 is less equal 5/2 and x2 is less equal 3/2 and x1 and x2 are greater or equal 0 okay. So find the solution to find optimal solution of given LPP problem by using graphical method. So solution is first write all constraints write all constraints in equality to equality okay. Then find point okay. Then x1 plus 2x2 equal to 3, then x1 plus x2 equal to 4, x1 is equal to 5/2 and x2 is equal to 3/2 in this way. Then to find points, we have to find points for graph okay. We have to find points for graph. Then for first line x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 3, their point is when x1 is equal to 0, which implies that x2 is equal to 3/2. When x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 3. Therefore points are 0, 3/2 and here points are 0, 3/2 and here 3, 0 okay. This is 2 points. Then next constraint for x1 plus x2 is equal to 4, points are x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to 4 and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 4 okay. So points are 0, 4 and 4, 0 okay. Then next is x1 is equal to 5/2. Next for x1 is equal to 5/2, this is a parallel x1 is equal to 5/2, this equation is parallel to x2 axis, and similarly x2 is equal to 3/2, this is also parallel to x1 axis okay. So plotting a graph, suppose that all constraints are positive, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 okay. Here -1, -2 in this way, and below -1 up to so on okay. This is x1 axis, this is x2 axis okay. So plotting a graph, x1 plus 2x2 points of this equation are 0, 3/2. 3/2 means 1.5, here 3/2 suppose okay. And next point is 3, 0 okay, 3, 0. So joining these 2 points we get this is a x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 3. This line is x1 plus 2x2 equal to 3, this line is. Then next is 0 4 4 0, 0 4 and 4 0. Okay, so this join these 2 points. This line is a x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. Okay, this line is a x1 plus x2 is equal to 4, this line. Then next is x1 is equal to 5 by 2, means this is a parallel to x2 axis. 5 by 2 means 2.5, this is a 2.5. so take a parallel to x2 axis, we get in this way. Suppose this is a x1 is equal to 5 by 2, and then next is x2 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means this is a 3 by 2. Okay, x2 is equal to 3 by 2. This equation is, this line is a x2 is equal to 3 by 2. This equation, this line is a x1 is equal to 5 by 2. So now to choosing feasible region. Okay, so first equation is a greater equal. Okay, greater equal 3. x1 plus 2x2 is greater equal 3. x1 plus x2 is greater equal 3. Their portion is must be upper side. Greater equal means this portion is a less equal 3 and this portion is a greater equal 3. So this is a first portion of x1 plus 2x2 is greater equal 3. Their region is upper side of this line. Okay, then now second equation, x1 plus x2 is less equal 4. x1 plus x2 is less equal 4. Less equal 4 means their region is a must be below side of this line. Okay, below side of this line. Okay, in this way. Okay, so this is a below side of this line. Here this is a intersection of this line. Okay, this is x2, this line, not this line. Here point is intersection of 3 lines. Okay, this is the intersection of 3 lines point. Sorry, this is not line take. Okay, so take this line, x1 is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, then x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. Their portion is less equal 4, which implies that their region of this line, x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. Region of this line is less equal 4, which implies that their region is a below side of this line, below side. Okay, in this way, below side of this line, below side. Okay, so then next is x1 is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2, this is a less equal 5 by 2. This line is a x1 is equal to 5 by 2 means less equal 5 by 2. In this way. Okay, so this is a region of left side of region is a less equal, x1 is equal to 5 by 2, and next is x1 is equal to x2 is equal to 3 by 2. x2 is less equal to 3 by 2 means below side of region. So region is must be common region of all constraints are, this is a common region. This is a common region of all lines. Okay, this is a common region. So this is 0. Suppose this is A, this is B point. This is the intersection of all 3 points. Okay, and then next is here is C point, here C point. Okay, in this way, and this is a D point. And therefore the shaded region is, this is shaded region. Therefore the shaded region is feasible region. Therefore the shaded region is feasible region. Shaded region is feasible region, and therefore now we have to find points. How to finding points? here points are getting, points are here. What is point? A point, B point, A, then B point, then next is here, here, here is something, one point here. Okay, this is a one point for 2.5, and in this way we have to C point. C point is also find. Okay, and this is a region of our, that is we have to find points, we have to find points here. Here feasible region is A, OA, sorry, not O, only ABC. Okay, only ABC. This is a feasible region. Point A is coordinates of point C are 0, 3 by 2, 0, 3 by 2. Point B is intersection of, point B is intersection of line, 3 lines. Okay, intersection of 3 lines. Point B is intersection of 3 lines is x1 plus x2 is equal to 4, then x1 plus x2 is equal to 4, then x1, okay, x1 is equal to 5 by 2 and x2 equal to 3 by 2. Okay, this is a intersection of 3 lines, and therefore coordinates of point B is 3 by 2, sorry, 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Put this is in this equation. X1 is equal to 5 by 2 and x2 is equal to 3 by 2. Then 4 is equal to 4, means this equation must be satisfied. Therefore point is 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. Now point C is intersection of, point C is intersection of line. Intersection, what is intersection of line? Point C, x1 is equal to 5 by 2 and x1 plus 2 x2 is equal to 3. x1 is equal to 5 by 2 and x1 plus 2 x2 is equal to 3. Put x1 is equal to 5 by 2 in this equation, we get minus 5 by 2. Then 6 minus 5, 1 by 2, and this is 2, 1 by 4. x2 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so which implies that x1 is equal to 5 by 2 and x2 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so put x1 is equal to in this equation, we get 5 by 2 plus 2 x2 is equal to 3. 5 by 2 we get RHS, we get negative 3 minus 5 by 2, 2 into 3, 6 minus 5 divided by 2 means 1 by 2, and this is 2x2 is equal to 2, which 2x2 is equal to 1 by 2, x2 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, and therefore point C is, coordinates of point C is 5 by 2 and 1 by 4. Okay, so now to find optimal solution. Okay, that is the value of Z. Now to find value of objective function. Here objective function is maximum Z is equal to 7x1 plus 3x2. Okay, 7x1 plus 3x2. Okay, so at A point A is given 0, 3 by 2. Value of Z is put, value of Z is 9 by 2. Okay, at point B point is 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. Okay, so value of Z is 5 by 2, 35 by 2 plus 9 by 2. 35 by 2 plus 9 by 2 means 22. Okay, 35 by 2 plus 9 by 2, 35 plus 9, 44 by 2 means 22 then point C is 5/2 and 1/4. 5/2 and 1/4. Value of Z is 19. Okay, 5/2, 35 plus 3, 38, sorry, here divided by 4, which implies that 10. 70 plus 1, 71/4. 71/4 71 divided by 4. 71 divided by 4. Their value is something. Their value is 1. 4 in 1. Okay, then 17 point something. Okay, 17.7 something their value. Okay, and therefore objective function is maximized type. Objective function is maximized. Objective function is maximized. Therefore maximum Z is equal to 22 at what point? At point B is equal to 5/2 and 3/2. That is x1 is equal to 5/2. X1 is equal to 5/2 and x2 is equal to 3/2. This is our solution. Okay. So how to plotting graph? How to choosing a region of this constraint? How to choose? Okay. So firstly we write how to choosing. Suppose this line is a x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. If we choosing any points of upper side of this line, if we choosing any point, suppose here 5. Okay, this 5, and here choose any point. Suppose that upper side of this line, upper side of x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. x1 plus x2 is, this constraint is less equal 4. This constraint is less equal 4. If we choosing any points of upper side, if we choosing upper side of any point, then suppose that x1 is equal to 5 and x2 is equal to, x1 is equal to 5 and x2 is equal to 5. If we choosing, okay, then putting their value is 10. 10 is not a less equal 4. Okay, therefore this is not a region of means this 0.5 and here also 0.5. This is not a satisfy this constraint. X1 plus x2 is less equal 4. If we choosing this point, suppose below side of this line, suppose x1 is equal to 3. X1 is equal to 3 and here we choose any point. If we choosing any point, x1 is equal to 1, suppose. Okay, then x1 plus 1 is equal to this is 4. Okay, this equal 4 means if we choosing this region x1 plus x2 is less equal 4, their region is must be below side of this side. Okay, this is a below side of this line. Similarly, in this way, choose any points in the region, this region, then we must be satisfying their points of this region. Okay, so next example. Next example. Maximum Z is equal to minus x1 plus 2x2 subject to here write P subject to minus 1.5 1/2 x1 plus x2 is less equal to and x1 minus x2 is less equal minus 1. x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. Solution of this by graphical method. So points are, I am here directly write the point. 1 by 2 x1 plus x2 is equal to 2. Points of this line is when x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to 2, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 4. Okay, x1 is equal to 4. This is the first point of this line. That is points are 0, 2 and 4, 0. Then for second line, x1 minus x2 is equal to minus 1. x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to 1, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to minus 1. So points are 0, 1 and minus 1, 0. So plotting a graph. 1, 2, here 3, here 4, here minus 1, minus 2, below side minus 1, then minus 2, here 1, 2, 3, in this way. Okay, so points are 0, 2 and 4, 0. So joining these two points, this line is 1 by 2 x1 plus x2 is equal to 2. Okay, and then next line is x1 minus x2. Their points are 0, 1 and minus 1, 0. So their line is in this way. This line is a x1 minus x2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so their region of this line, firstly region of 1 by 2 x1 plus x2 is less equal 1. Their region is a below side of this line. Okay, below side of this line, less equal means below side. Okay, and region of this line x1 minus x2 equal to minus 1, this is also less equal. Therefore region of this line is upper side of, because here all terms are negative. Okay, so therefore their region is this is, and therefore common region is this is a common region. Suppose that here this is O, A, B and C. Okay, therefore the shaded region is feasible region. Shaded region is feasible region, and therefore points are A equal to 0, 2. Point B is intersection of two lines. What two line? Intersection of x1 plus x2. 1 by 2 x1 plus x2 is equal to 2, and x1 minus x2 is equal to minus 1. So find their points. How to find? If we are adding, then 3 by 2 x1 is equal to 1, means x1 is equal to 2 by 3. x1 is equal to 2 by 3, and then x2 is equal to, if we putting x1 is equal to 2 by 3, then 1 by 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, sorry, 2 minus 1 by 3, 2 minus 1 by 3, then 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. x2 is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, therefore point B is 2 by 3 and 5 by 3. Okay, so point C is points of point C are 0 and 1. Okay, and so find the maximum value of at each point. Okay, if we B has maybe maximum value. Okay, so find the maximum value in this way. Okay, how to choosing only region is a very important for here. If we choosing upper side, if we choosing 2 points upper side, and then constraints are not satisfied, then we say that the given region is upper side region is not a feasible region. Okay, then next example is Next example, minimum z. Here given constraint is minimum z. Okay, minimum z is equal to 3x1 plus 2x2 subject to 5x1 plus x2 is greater than 10, greater equal 10, then x1 plus x2 is less equal 6, and x1 plus 4x2 is greater equal 12. Okay, solve this problem. Their region is maybe okay, so solution of in this way. Their region points of, I am here directly write the points. Okay, points of equation first, 5x1 plus x2 is equal to 10. Their points are x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to 10, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 2. Okay, then points are 0, 10 and 0, 2. 2, 0, 2, 0. Then next is x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. Maybe this problem is solved in previous lecture. Okay, this problem is solvable. This problem is already solved in previous lecture. Okay, points are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Then x1 plus 4x2 is greater equal to 12. So points are x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to 3, equal to, and next point is x2 is equal to 0, then 4. Okay, so their region is this is a graph. This is x1 axis, this is x2 axis. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here 10. Okay, 0, 10 and 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, join these 2 points. Okay, this is in this way. This is a first line is 5x1 plus x2 is greater equal 10. This is a greater equal sign. Okay, this line is a equal to, but this constant is greater equal. So next point is x1 plus x2 is 6, 0, 6 and 6, 0. Joining these 2 points, okay, this line is a x1 plus x2 equal to 6, then this constant is less equal, means below side. Okay, and then next is 0, 3 and 3, 0, 4, 0. So joining these 2 points in this way. Then here, points are wrong here. x1, this is x1 plus 4x2, x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 12. Okay, so this line is wrong. This is in this way 12. Okay, in this way this is a 12. This line is x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 12. This line is in this way here, lastly something 12. Okay, but this is a region only. We have to show that the region of our line. This line is 5x1 plus x2 is equal to 10. So region this constraint is less equal type. This region is this constraint is greater equal type. Therefore region is a upper upper side of means RHS of this line. Okay, this is a RHS region of this is feasible region is a this side. Okay, for this line. So for next is x1 plus x2 is less equal 6. This line is less equal 6 means region is must be below side. Okay, and next is this line is a x1 plus 4x2 is greater equal 12. Greater equal means upper side of this. Therefore region is a must be this is a feasible region our. This is a feasible region. Okay, so this point and this point, this is a feasible region. Suppose that this is A, this is B and this is C. Okay, so this is a feasible region. Feasible region is A, B, C. Point A is intersection of two lines. Intersection of two lines means what two lines? 5x1 plus x2 equal to 10 and x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. Point B is intersection of two lines. 5x1 plus x2 is equal to 10 and next line is this line x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 12 and point C is intersection of x1 plus x2 is equal to 6 and x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 12. Okay, so solve this, find the points and find the minimum value of at each point. Okay, then minimum value of each point, find minimum value at each point. Okay, and then we get a solution of optimal solution. In this way we solve problems. Okay, but here only region is very important. Region how to choose? Only if we here choosing any points of this side, then this constraint is must be satisfied. If we choosing less than this side, point is less than this side, then their region is not a same. Okay, and therefore if we choosing suppose any point, here suppose 11, here 11 and 3. Okay, then their values must be greater equal 10. Okay, in this way choose any points of below side and upper side, and then we check that the constraints are satisfied or not. Okay, and then we say that region is below side or upper side. Okay.